Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with the Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. Well, I'm going to start off today by sharing some outstanding news about one of our students. Well, this week I met with a Year 2 student, Maher. Maher recently received a Certificate of Excellence for outstanding performance in the GC International Maths Olympiad. Now, Maher achieved 89 marks out of 100, so that's 89 out of 100, and he achieved an international ranking of 395, which means that out of 17,352 entrants, Maher achieved a place of 395. So a big congratulations to Maher. We're very, very proud and, well, very excited to hear of your outstanding achievement. Well done. Sharing some other good news, one of our students in Year 6B, and that is Janet Preet, recently participated in the National Wrestling Championships in Sydney and achieved a bronze medal. So once again, congratulations, Janet Preet. Always wonderful to hear about the outstanding achievement of our children, not only in school, but also out of school. Next point, well, today, Miss McGrath and myself attended the Cranbourne Remembrance Day service at the Clydesdale Square in the main street of Cranbourne. Our school captain, Sasha and Michaela, attended, and on behalf of the school during the service, they laid a wreath at the cenotaph. And I would like to say a really big thank you to Sasha and Michaela, who performed their duties with not only pride, but honour and dignity. So well done, children. And I'd also like to thank Miss McGrath for organising for our captains and the wreath for the service today. And my final message today is just a reminder about hats. It is just so important that every single one of our students and staff wear hats when you're outside. And what does that mean? If you're walking to and from school, it's important you wear a hat. During the recess and lunchtime, if you're in the grounds, please wear a hat. And of course, we're practical during any outdoor learning session. If you're outside, you're not under shade, please ensure you wear a hat. And finally, just remember to read something of interest, something you like, every single day, even on weekends. All right, thank you everybody, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Take care.
Hello everyone, who's ready to riddle? Here we go. What two keys can't open any door? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, let's see how you went with your thinking time. What two keys can't open any door? The answer is a donkey and a monkey. I hope you liked that one and that gave you all a little bit of a giggle. Hope you have a wonderful week and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye now.
I'm Janet from 6K, and a couple of weekends ago I went to Sydney for a wrestling championship and I won bronze for my age and weight group, and I'm really happy that I won bronze and it was really exciting.
Did you know that
cheetahs can run up to 65 miles?
Flamingos only eat when its head's upside down.
Male killer whales weigh up to 9,000 kilograms and female killer whales weigh up to 5,500 kilograms.
Rabbits' favorite food are bananas more than carrots.
Yes.
Dogs have 1,000 teeth.
Bacteria started all life on planet Earth. That there have been 96 UFO spottings. Bye.
We line up and enter one at a time and sit down on the floor.
Okay, Leon, your line can go in first.